Hi, I'm Emma. Last weekend, I had big plans to go to the park with my friends. We were going to have a picnic and play some games. But when I woke up, the weather was terrible. It was raining very hard, and the sky was cloudy. I felt a bit disappointed because I really wanted to enjoy the day outside. I checked the weather report on my phone, and it said the rain would continue all day. I decided to call my friends to tell them about the bad weather. "Hi everyone," I said, "it's raining a lot today. I think we should cancel our picnic." My friends agreed and we made new plans. Instead of the park, we decided to stay indoors and have a movie marathon. We watched funny movies, ate snacks, and laughed a lot. The day turned out to be very fun after all. Even though the weather was bad, we still had a great time together. Sometimes, things don't go as planned, but it can still be a good day.